The next one is going to be your finances sheet. And if you have individuals who are working on the finance sheet, you can share with them individually, or as I said, you can also share entire folders. So the private folder, you can go to share. You can add email addresses, and they have access to all of the private folders and files. If you want only 1 or 2 designated people on the finances, I would make sure to share it to them directly and limit that. Here you can go ahead and write the type it was. Sometimes it'll be groceries, also the date. You can go ahead and add how much it was, and it'll go ahead and update this total expense. For individual donations and grants, you can add totals, or you can choose to expand this and add individual ones. Right now, what we're doing in Lansing, Michigan is we have a donation page, and so individual donors are not highlighted in our finances. It's a lump sum every week whenever we pull out of that fund. We also have an area here where you can copy the link of the receipt so you can see all the receipts. We recommend that everyone take a picture of the receipts and hold on to them. If you have a fiscal sponsor that's a 501c3 who can cut you a check every day, that is the best way to do your finances. Unfortunately, what we're finding here in Lansing, Michigan is a lot of our nonprofits have completely shut down because they're worried about liability with their staff. And then they're also worried because they're not finding enough cleaning products that they cannot fully operate in a safe way. So as a result, we've had to manage our finances by finding a fiscal sponsor, but they cut us a large check once a week. And then we put it into our private bank accounts and we reimburse as organizers. You're going to have to keep track of these receipts because it's going to look like income. And you're going to need to make sure you talk to a tax person about that on how to show that it was a donation, which you should be able to do through your fiscal sponsor. You just need to make sure that you're keeping on track of your finances. We also spoke to a lawyer here in Lansing, Michigan, who said that liability is rather slim, but you should always take precautions and make sure that you have strong language, which is going to be added into all of the documentation here today as well. Because this is a volunteer-based project and most likely will not be formed as its own organization. Here is a folder that you can add your receipts to. When you add a receipt, you will see a file, and you'll be able to right-click it and click share, just like this. And in the share, you will see Get Shareable Link. And then view, copy that link, and then you can put it back in that finance spreadsheet so that all of the receipts are right there.